I've just hit 200 subscribers on YouTube, and honestly, most advice out there is completely wrong. I started this channel from zero, filming Orlando theme park videos, and it took way longer than I expected. So in this video, here's what actually works and what doesn't. When I started this channel back in September, I thought that if I just posted consistently, the views and the subscribers would come. But that's not really how it works. Some of my Orlando vlogs flopped, some barely got any views, and there were definitely points where I thought, is it even worth it? But over the last few months, I've started to figure out what makes a difference. So I'm going to go through how I got from 0 to 200 subscribers. One of the biggest things you hear is just be consistent. And yeah, consistency matters, but not in the way people think. You can upload loads of videos and still not grow at all, especially with something like theme park vlogs. That's exactly what I found at the start. What actually made a difference was improving something every time I posted. Better hooks, getting into the vlog quicker, cutting out the slow bits. Consistency only works if you're actually getting better. And the big thing I found was getting through Manchester Airport. Once I got through the airport, my confidence really started to grow. And you'll see that in my previous series where as I get on, I'm having more of a laugh, having more of a joke, getting really comfortable in it. Another thing people say is just make good content and the people will find you. But the reality is, if no one clicks on your video, no one even sees your content. I could film a great day in Disney or Universal, but if the title and thumbnail aren't interesting, no one clicks on it. And there are loads of Orlando videos on YouTube already, so you have to stand out. And if I'm being honest with you, I've probably watched 95% of those vlogs. What actually helped me was focusing more on titles and thumbnails, giving people a reason to click in the first place. Because good content doesn't matter if no one clicks on it. That's the shite reality of it. I also thought you needed better gear to grow. Better camera, better setup, all of that absolute bollocks. But honestly, it doesn't make much difference at this stage. Most of your early videos won't get loads of views anyway. What matters more is the idea behind the video and how you film it. Because nobody subscribes because of your camera, they subscribe because of your content. Another mistake is trying to do what everyone else is doing. Following trends, copying bigger creators. But that just makes you blend in, especially with a niche like Orlando where loads of people are posting similar videos. What actually helped me was finding my own angle. And if you've watched any of my videos before, you know exactly what I'm talking about. For me, that's making Orlando content from a UK perspective and sharing what I'm learning as I grow. Because someone from the UK planning a trip to Orlando is more likely to relate to my videos. And instead of just posting random vlogs, I actually started thinking, what would someone actually want to watch before their trip? Now my last point about what nobody tells you, and this is the biggest one. No one tells you just how slow it is. Getting your first 100, 200 subscribers takes time. Way more than you expect. Especially when you're posting things like travel or theme park content because it's such a saturated market. Now, once you start improving and figuring things out, things do start to click. You just have to stick with it long enough to get there. Now, what I would say is just don't give up. Don't give up at all. Keep going. So yeah. That's what I've learned going from 0 to 200 subscribers making Orlando content. It's not perfect and I'm still figuring things out, but I'm starting to see what actually makes a difference. You've just got to have fun, you've just got to go with it, have a laugh, be yourself. Don't pander to the crowd, keep going. Honestly, just keep going, that's the key word here. If you're starting YouTube or even planning an Orlando trip, just stick with it. I'm also trying to hit 250 subscribers before the end of April, so if you want to follow the journey and see what works as I grow as a channel, you can watch my growth as I go, make sure you subscribe. Now, if this has helped you at all, drop a like or a comment. I'd love to know where you're at with your channel. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Apologies, I've just absolutely cracked my funny bone off the table and I'm in a lot of pain right now.